Hey YouTube, Pilot Will Done RC. We're back out here with the FMS F-18 64 millimeter. We're going to try to do a little flying here. We've got hardly any wind at all. So without further ado, please like, subscribe, share. It is getting in the evening, so we're going to try to get this done before it gets too dark. Left, right, up, down. We got a 3-minute timer. We're in the 4S 300 or 2200. Alright, let's see if we can get this girl up in the air here.
Oh, I like that one. Do it again.
Turn our gains down a little bit. Oh, it's got my heart pounding.
2 minutes. 3 minutes. One minute. 2 minutes. Seconds.
We're going to try to come in and land. Watch out, son.
Why is it on? If it has, I have a helmet. It's not gonna make it. It's not gonna make it. I don't think it's gonna make it.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15.
We're down. Oh.
14, 13, 12, 11.
What you
10,
talking about? No, we're not.
9,
We're down.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed. 1 minute.
We did win. We're down. I did break off the missile rail over there, though, on that landing. Hey, go down and get that missile rail over there. It's out in the road right there by the curb. Well, we got us a flight in here. 4 seconds past the 3 minutes. Give me that thumbs up. That was an intense flight here in the neighborhood. And yeah, please like, subscribe, share, leave some comments. And true man, heart's still pounding.
That didn't suck at all.
And Pilot Will done RC. Until next time, signing out.